Hey y'all, I'm back. Wanted to show y'all another unboxing of this. Things from the Evanair TV shop. Order some of his things. He's a YouTuber I like pretty well now. I was into him a lot more before, but so yeah, it's what they call one of the mystery bags or whatever. You know, he had a special deal on that specifically, so that's why I decided to get it this time. Got one. So let me open it. Extra layer. So there's a random t-shirt. So Laugh at Life. Should be a large. Yep, it's nice. I have one of those I got a long time ago. One other okay, mystery, yeah. Okay, there's, oh, shot glass, yeah. Just shot thing, yeah, it's kind of neat one. I haven't had one of these yet. And then there. Finger chopper, where it looks like it penetrates through a finger. That's kind of cool. Also a sliced rope. Oh, I just saw this on one of his shorts yesterday. I think it was yesterday. That's cool. Thought about it, but yeah. And one of these things, I guess, for Chinese finger trapper thing. Yeah, it's kind of a neat one. Sorry, I had to film with my hand. Okay, ready? And I think it's the last two here. Got magic coin case. And then zigzag pencil. Okay, yeah, I'm not sure if I've seen this trick before. Maybe at some point. It's cool. Alright, last but not least, Laugh at Life sunglasses. Okay, that's good. So this pair, I don't think it's a Laugh at Life, but it's pretty similar. Almost looks like it. I've lost several of these pairs, these kind of pairs, sunglasses in general. I've broken a couple, but yeah, okay. It's not bad. I think I got it for about $16 plus shipping and tax. Was it? Maybe it was more actually. I don't know, but whatever. It looks like it was definitely a good deal. You know, special. Maybe I'll show you another one of these sometime. You know, if I case. I have to see first, but all right. Well, thank y'all for watching. I was glad to mention this. for been a while. Do probably like at least 4 other colors of Laugh Life t-shirts. I think green, blue, and black, and gray. I think that's all the ones I got right now. But and then also got a How to Magic shirt, and well, just one Evanair TV. But I'm glad to get some of the other colors and kinds, so it'd be cool. Might do another unboxing soon with it like this, like I said, or something similar. But thank y'all for watching again. If you enjoyed it, please click the like button and subscribe if you want. I'll hopefully might be able to upload more soon. Hopefully, I'll have to see, but been kind of busy. But all right, y'all have a good day.